diagram over here. Now whatever the points are there actually at a distance of 30 mm, with the help of continuous line you will have to simply join it. So select the line, click on this point, go to the next point, again select this point like this, again go to the third point like this and join that. Continuously you can join it like this. Third point, this is your ground point now. This point also you will have to join, and this is your last point now. Fine, and escape. So like this we have completed our 3D diagram. So rest of the diagram is something white position is there, so that also we replace by our yellow color, that is our outline. So draw this up to this and complete this up to point. Escape. Now whenever you look at this diagram, actually a small confusion will be there. Something a triangular type of a shape will be there actually, so that you will have to analyze carefully. So what we'll have to do, exactly on the midpoint in the top view we can see 15 and 15 mm has been written over there. So on the one side there is a triangle, other side is a flat surface. So I am taking the draw, click on the line command, and from this corner point, end corner point, up to this end corner point, draw the inclined line and escape. 15 mm, it means what? It is a midpoint of this width horizontal line. So we directly draw the midpoint to midpoint line in the inclined manner. Why? Because it is a midpoint of that 15 mm of a distance, that is why. So like that, midpoint to midpoint we could join it, escape. So this is our rectangle we are drawing. So edges of the rectangle in the vertical and horizontal manner we'll have to draw. So once again click on the draw line, and from this point up to the vertical line you will have to draw up to the length of the 30 mm. So edit the length right here, 30 mm. Okay, draw the horizontal line again from that particular line and join up to this point like this. Escape like this. So we have completed this triangle. So one surface is a flat, other is a inclined. But whatever the back lines are there, actually this line is there, so this has not been required actually in the diagram, but it is a 3D diagram, so erase that. So you have a erase option over here, click on this line. So let's say the first option, that is the erase option, so erase that. Again this line is there, but this line is a continuous line, so you can trim that line actually. So use the trim command, so tr you can type, quick trim command you can use, and slowly move your cursor actually. Zoom this particular point, move your cursor, fine, and now you can trim this much part, escape, and zoom out, fine. Again whenever you see this is a slot has been there in the diagram, so we require to draw the